Hello everyone, this is Joe from Techie Lobang, and right here with me you can see I have the Galaxy S9 Plus. So I got this unit with the 256GB configuration. So without further ado, let me take out this unit and have a look. So this is the unit. This is the actual unit. If you see that there's some crease over here, is because when I bought it, I actually test it out. What is inside this? So you have the pin to extract out the tray for the SIM card and the SD card. Oh, it's a soft cover. Quick start, right? Everything is very neat inside. This brick is the power brick. USB port over here. In Singapore, this is the UK version of the 3-pin plug. USB to USB-C converter. Is the cable. USB-C cable. The AKG earpiece and the earbuds. And that is it for the unboxing.